Hey guys, quick video on how you're going to connect your Dell keyboard to your computer. So the best way how you're going to do it is first you just have to insert the batteries. If you have it on batteries, like if you have it just on cable, just insert the cable to the computer. But if you have the batteries, you're going to insert the batteries. You're going to put the battery cover back. And then you're going to slide the power switch to the right to turn on the keyboard. And then what you need to do, you're just gonna enter it from the back. From the back, you are going to have like some kind of USB port. It's going to look like this. And you're just gonna insert it right there. And then automatically it should turn on and connect. The connection mode light on the mouse turns on, indicate it's paired, and it turns off. And that's it. So that's how you're gonna do it.